Hello everyone, it's Catherine with Furever Perfect Pups, and today I want to share with you some 5-day-old AKC miniature poodle puppies. They are from Scarlett and Miles' litter, and this is the mom right here. Her name is Scarlett. These little guys were born October 23rd. They're expected to be between 12 and 15 pounds as an adult. This one right here is a boy. He's got a beautiful apricot color coat with white markings on the chest. Really sweet boy. And mom, she's been such a good mom. She has really pretty curls. I mean, this girl, she's got gorgeous hair. Yes, you do. And the next puppy we have is a boy. This litter has 5 boys and 1 female. Yes. This is a little bit darker puppy. More ruby color. The male. This is the girl. She has a beautiful coat coloring. It's almost like it's like she has frosted tips. Can't wait to see what she looks like when she's a little bit older. Pretty white markings, white party chest. Absolutely beautiful. Here's another boy. In about another week, their eyes will be open. Sit down, Mama. And again, these little guys were born October 23rd, 2025. They are 5 days old. They're expected to be between 12 and 15 pounds as an adult. They are AKC mini poodles, and both of the parents are health tested. They're genetic tested and OFA tested, and we have all of that information on our website if you want to take a look. It's foreverperfectpups.com, and we also have social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. So don't forget to like, share, follow, comment. Thank you for watching.